Are you looking for the best budget sewing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best budget sewing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. Brother Sewing Machine, XM2701, lightweight sewing machine with 27 stitches, 1-step auto-size buttonholer, 6 sewing feet, free arm and instructional DVD. The Brother XM2701 is a great sewing machine for beginners and is easy to use. Even though it's a little more expensive than some of the other machines I'll review shortly, here's why I think it's worth the money. It features 27 built-in stitches and has an automatic 1-step buttonhole stitch. An automatic 1-step buttonhole is an incredible feature to have on a beginner sewing machine. Most budget sewing machines include a 4-step manual buttonhole, meaning you have to create the buttonhole yourself in 4 stages. This method carries a much steeper learning curve and is more time-consuming than having the machine create the buttonhole with almost no input from you. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine also features a quick set, top drop-in bobbin that's jam-resistant. What quick set means is, once you place the bobbin in its case, there is no need to manually draw up the bobbin thread. This makes setup one step less. Also, a clear case allows you to keep an eye on the thread level so you don't run out of bobbin thread in the middle of a project. At number 2, Brother XR3774 Quilting Machine. Brother XR3774 full-featured quilting machine with 37 stitches, 8 sewing feet, wide table, and instructional DVD, read by on Amazon. The Brother XR3774 sewing machine is fully featured and loaded with functionality. And its ease of use makes it a good beginner sewing machine. It includes 37 built-in stitches, a total of 74 stitch functions, including several decorative stitches, and is the most inexpensive sewing machine that offers a wide table to expand your work area. I like to use my detachable wide table when quilting and sewing costumes or large garments. Because the table detaches, the sewing machine still takes up a small space in your sewing corner. The Brother XR3774 includes an automatic needle threader to help tired eyes and quick SETM top drop-in bobbin. There's also an automatic 1-step buttonhole function. At number 3, Singer Tradition 2277 Sewing Machine. The Singer Tradition 2277 sewing machine is easy to use, easy to set up, and includes a bit more than the Singer 1304 above. It's one of my top Singer sewing machines for kids because it's so feature-rich and simple to use considering how much it offers. Things that set this machine apart from the more inexpensive Singer 1304 are the inclusion of adjustable stitch length and width, an automatic needle threader, and a 1-step automatic buttonhole. These are very handy features if you're wanting to sew frequently and do more than just mending or basic alterations. It's a better sewing machine than the Singer 1304, but it's up to you to decide if you want or even need this much given the extra cost. Also, there's an updated version now, the Singer M3300, if you prefer to have the latest and greatest. At number 4, Brother XM1010 Portable Sewing Machine. Brother Sewing Machine, XM1010, 10-stitch sewing machine, portable sewing machine, 10 built-in stitches, 4 included sewing feet, 25 if you read my full Brother XM1010 review. I've outlined its shortcomings in much greater detail. I've also explained why I feel the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, see above, is a better pick for most beginner sewing enthusiasts. The Brother XM1010 sewing machine has only 10 stitches and includes 4 basic feet. It has no fancy bells and whistles or decorative stitches like the Brother XM2701. But, if you're looking for a very basic sewing machine, just know Brother produces great, reliable sewing machines. This one is no exception, and I have no doubt it will perform well for you. At number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. It is the cheapest heavy-duty sewing machine you'll find. While some of the above Brother sewing machines will sew thick fabrics occasionally, if you're wanting to stitch leather, canvas, or denim frequently, you'll be better served by a heavy-duty sewing machine. Heavy-duty sewing machines have a sturdier metal frame and a stronger motor than regular machines. Additionally, the maximum sewing speed is usually faster than a standard sewing machine. Just because a sewing machine is geared towards thick fabrics, though, doesn't mean it won't perform well on thin fabrics, too. Thanks to adjustable press or foot pressure, pretty much any fabric is fair game for this Singer 4411. Thus, it can function as your everyday sewing machine if you want. The Singer 4411 sewing machine includes 11 stitches, 6 basic stitches, 4 decorative stitches, and 1 buttonhole stitch, and 3 needle positions. There are also 4 basic presser feet included, allowing you to accomplish a variety of tasks. The Singer 4411 Heavy Duty is a true workhorse. It's inexpensive for a heavy-duty sewing machine and stitches with incredible precision. But seriously, am I the only one who wishes Singer would start producing prettier heavy-duty sewing machines? At number 6. Varmax Mini Sewing Machine. The Varmax Mini Sewing Machine is a miniature sewing machine and is not near as fully featured as most full-size sewing machines. However, for an occasional user looking for a budget sewing machine for small sewing projects, the Varmax Mini machine will not disappoint. It only comes with a straight stitch and has no option for a reverse stitch. However, it does have a built-in lamp and thread cutter. Unlike modern sewing machines, the Varmax Mini gives you the option to sew with battery power. One nice feature for a miniature sewing machine is that sewing can be started with the included foot pedal or an on/off button. This easy-to-use machine is a great sewing machine for kids and is really good at sewing small cylindrical items such as kids' pants legs and doll clothes. However, if you think you'll ever want to sew more complicated projects, consider purchasing a sewing machine with at least a zigzag stitch.